welcome to our tutorial of dividing fractions with positive and negative numbers. We are going to be using the SOAR strategy.
For our first problem, we will do negative 1 3/4 divided by 1 over 4. To do this, we are going to use our strategy SOAR.
To SOAR, you have to first convert the mixed numbers to improper fractions. Then you have to keep the same number, switch sign the multiplication, then use reciprocal of the fraction, which means you have to flip the fraction over.
Next, after you've done that, it's time to multiply. First, you multiply the two denominators. So 4 times 1 will equal 4. Next, you multiply the two numerators, 7 times 4, which gets you 28. And since it was a negative times a positive, or divided by a positive, it's always going to be a negative number. So our unsimplified answer is negative 28 over 4. But we can simplify that. So 4 goes in 28 7 times, and it's a negative number. So our first answer will be negative 7. So now we'll do the next problem.
Next, let's solve the second problem, which is a bit more challenging than the first one. The problem is negative 5/6 divided by negative 1 1/2.
First, we need to SOAR again. We keep the first number as it is, negative 5 over 6. Change the sign to multiplication. Then we make that mixed number into an improper fraction, which would give us 3 over 2. And then we want to flip that, so it would be 2 over 3. Next, we want to multiply the denominator. So 6 times 3 equals 18, and 5 times 2 equals 10. And since we had a negative number times another negative number, it's always going to be a positive answer. So our answer is positive 10 over 18, but we can actually simplify this into 5 over 9. So our final answer is 5 over 9. So now we'll go to the third problem.
Let's move on to the next problem. It is 6 7/20 divided by negative 2 3/9 for the last problem. Before we SOAR, we are going to need to change all the mixed number into improper fractions. Then we end up with 127 over 20 and 9 over 21 when you SOAR. Then you multiply the denominators, which will get to negative 140. And then we multiply the numerators and get negative 382. So it's negative 382 over negative 140. And you can make it a mixed number. So it is 2 and 101 over 140. And since it was a negative, the times a positive is a negative number. So our answer is negative 2, 101 over 140.
Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to divide fractions with negative and positive integers. We hope this helped you and made you figure out problems you'll have in the future.